In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we take you to Charlemont St. Catherine, where you'll hear from a farmer who continues to push despite his challenges. As Kian Morgan reports, no coronavirus, unstable weather condition, or thief will stop him.
Jermaine Black's ambition is synonymous with the phrase, never give up. That's because the farmer, who has been tilling the soil for the last 5 years, has seen the highs and lows of his occupation. While giving us a tour of his farm in Charlemont St. Catherine, he told us why he chose this line of work.
I leave school, go to arts, and I can't look in job, but I couldn't get any job. So I said to myself one day, best if I just try the farming and see what can done. And here am I now. I'm a proud farmer. I'm so proud of myself.
Jermaine, who specializes in livestock and cash crops, says getting to where he is now didn't happen overnight.
I did have one goat, and I said I didn't need more, but I didn't have the money to purchase any more. So I just keep that one, keep breeding it, keep build up on that one, so till I have 27. Start from 50 chicken, and I keep use the profit to buy more and keep multiplying so till I have the 150.
It's his pride and joy.
That's my 9 to 5. Just as though you have to go to work like from Monday to Friday, me go to the farm from Sunday to Sunday, no care what happens.
And even when he doesn't feel well, he's still pushing.
I remember when I have to use one hand, my hand in sling, and I have to clean the pig's pen. A morning, I couldn't angle the goat. There was all over the place because it was in plaster polish. So I just take it off and bring it back in the yard and throw it in the garbage. And from there, my hand still working better than before.
But every time things seem to be looking up for Jermaine, he falls right back to square one. The culprit, predial larceny.
I lose 8 in April and 2 more in May. And I lose 5 bunches of plantain and 3 pineapples.
And at times, he feels as if his work is in vain.
And when we look and see, them just gone with the rest, some of them, it brings pains to my heart. I used to carry them out and leave them. I don't do that anymore. I carry them to places that I can stay, like all 1, 2 hours and 3 hours, then watch them, bring them in, then go back with my wheelbarrow and my cutlass and chop grass, and bring and carry and tie inside of the pen.
And despite his misfortunes, along with the economic downturn caused by the coronavirus, Jermaine says he'll never give up.
Just the love for the farming that I have, because I love to take care of animals, and I like to see when plants look beautiful.
And now, he's encouraging others not to lose hope, but instead invest in themselves, even when times are bleak.
If you don't have the love for it, it makes no sense to do it, because it's the love that I have for it. Even though them thief, man, when I say, just leave them to time, Father God will deal with them at the right time. So I just hold the faith, just have to have the faith, and don't give up on what you need.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.